Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. So I am with the new lesson, that is 6th lesson, the mango tree. M-A-N-G-O, mango, T-R-E-E, tree, the mango tree. So before we get into lesson, let us see the warm-up activity. As you can see here, there are many trees, right? So look at these trees, and some of these trees have things that do not grow on trees. Keep cross the things that do not grow on trees. The last tree is blank and draw something that you could wish grow on trees, and you have to color. Use crayon or color pencils only, okay? So let us see, for example, on the tree, do the socks grow? No. So you have to keep wrong. In the same way, apple. Does apple grows on trees? Yes, right. So in this way you have to do. This is your homework part. Okay, children? I hope you have understood. Now let us see the lesson. Eat is a H-O-T heart S-U-M-M-E-R summer D-A-Y day. It is a hot summer day. T-H-E the M-A-N-G-O mango T-R-E-E-S trees I-N T-H-E the G-A-R-D-E-N garden A-R-E-R F-U-L-L full O-F of R-I-P-E ripe Y-E-L-L-O-W yellow F-R-U-I-T fruit. So the mango trees in the garden are full of ripe yellow fruit. Here ripe nothing but ready to eat. Okay. So the chowkidar, C-H-O-W-K-I-D-A-R, chowkidar. Here chowkidar is nothing but guard. Okay. Security guard will be there, no? In that way the guard is taking care of these trees, mango trees of a garden. Chowkidar of the garden, G-A-R-D-E-N garden, is a very, V-E-R-Y very, B-U-S-Y busy, M-A-N man. This chowkidar is a very busy man. He has to watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch out, O-U-T out, for mischievous, M-I-S-C-H-I-E-V-O-U-S, mischievous. Mischievous nothing but naughty persons, naughty boys. Here are naughty boys. Little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, B-O-Y-S, boys, W-H-O, who, C-R-E-E-P, creep, I-N-T-O, into, T-H-E, the, G-R-O-V-E, grove, T-O-2-P-L-U-C-K, pluck, T-H-E, the, J-U-I-C-Y, juicy, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. So the mischievous little boys, what they have done? They creep. Creep is nothing but move slowly and slightly into the grove. Grove is nothing but really big garden with many fruits. To pluck out. Pluck out nothing but to pull the fruits out of the branches. See, these naughty boys entered into the garden to take the mangoes. He also has to chase, C-H-A-S-E, chase, A-W-A-Y, away, the birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds, A-N-D-N-T-H-E, the M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkeys, W-H-O, who, W-I-L-L, will, P-E-C-K, peck, A-T-Et, O-R, E-A-T, eat, T-H-E, the, T-A-S-T-Y, tasty, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. So he also has to chase, nothing but उनको भगाना है. किसको भगाना है यहाँ पर? The birds and the monkeys, who will peck. Peck is nothing but to hit something over and over again with the beak to break and eat. So with the help of their beaks, they used to eat the fruits, right? So he want to chase the birds, monkeys, or eat the tasty fruit. Otherwise they will eat the tasty fruit. Here what is the fruit name? Mango is the fruit here. Okay, very good. E-V-E-N, even, W-H-E-N, when, T-H-E-R-E, there, A-R-E-R, and O, no, M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes, Y-O-U-U-W-I-L-L, will, F-I-N, defined, B-I-R-D-S, birds, A-N-D, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, on the, S-T-U-R-D-Y, sturdy, branches, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches of the, M-A-N-G-O, mango, T-R-E-E-S, trees. So even when there are no mangoes, you will find birds and animals on the sturdy branches. Sturdy nothing but strong branches. Even there are no fruits of and the sturdy branches of the mango trees. Even if it is no mango on the trees, so the birds comes and see. They will be searching the fruit. Parrots, blue jays. Here blue jays, as you can see here, this is the blue jays. Okay, and the little green coppersmiths. Little green coppersmiths. One of the bird only. Okay, the bird name is green coppersmiths. Make their nests in the trunks, trunks, trunks of old mango, 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 trees, trees. So these parrots, blue jays and the green coppersmiths, they will be coming to the branches. They sit and they make the nest in the trunks of the old mango tree. Then owls, owls, owls live in holes, 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 high, high up in the trees, trees, trees. And the monkeys, 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 swing, swing, swing from the branches, branches, branches during the day and rest there at night, night. So what happens here? Owls also live in a holes, as you can see in here in the picture. So they live in a holes high in the trees, and the monkeys, they will be jumping from one tree to the other branches of the tree during the day and rest there at night. They will be taking rest at night in the trees. So why are there birds and animals on the mango tree even when there are no mangoes, children? So they want to make the home in the tree. They will be making their nests in the trunks of the mango tree. So that's why they used to stay where even there is no mango. Okay, children. So I hope you have understood this first page, page number 65. Okay. So what is the name of a tree here? Mango tree, right? So which season it was? Summer. Yes. What is? So who is taking care of the garden? Chaukidar. Yes, very good. And he is a very busy person, right? So well, we will stop till here. The remaining lesson in the next video. So till that time you practice and go through the reading orally. Okay, children? So that's all for today. Keep learning, keep practicing. Take care. Bye-bye.